guys, I'm Chef Atul Kochhar from London. My restaurant is called Kanishka in Mayfair. So the recipe I'm cooking today is something that's very close to my heart. I absolutely adore this recipe. There was a time when I hated it, but I kind of grew my love back for it. So it's called Upma, incredible South Indian recipe. You will absolutely love it, and I hope you will relish this recipe because I have given it a twist because I live in London. So I added a little bit of purple broccoli, which is bang in season at the moment, but whatever you can get around you, seasonal vegetable, and you think that goes well with your upma, do try it. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to absorb the flavors in this humble and simple dish which feeds the masses in our country. So I got 1 cup of rava stroke suji, whatever you want to call it. I didn't add any fat to it, just you need to toast it gently. It takes about good 3 to 4 minutes. So my rava is lightly toasted. If you look at it, it's a little bit darker, okay? And that goes on a plate. So I've started with sunflower oil. Some people would use coconut oil instead as well. And I like to add a little bit of ghee as well. So the mixture of two is actually quite nice. It gives a beautiful flavor. And while my oil is getting hot, oil and ghee mixture, I'll just introduce you to my ingredients. You've seen the rava. Here I have mixed vegetables, which is frozen, chana dal, urad dal, onions, ginger and chili, cashew nut, lime. I've already used the ghee, mustard seed and red chili, okay? So I'll add the lentils first because they take a little time to cook. So idea is to color them, and as they get colored, then only I'll reach out for my mustard seeds and red chili. So now, as you can see, dal is kind of getting a little darker. It is closer to what I need it to be. So I'll add the mustard seeds and keep the heat up. I'm going to add the ginger and the chili. Green chili, I love the flavor of green chili. Onions, just chopped. Onions are kind of translucent, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. The frozen veggies, or if you're using the fresh veggies, just blanch them. It'll be easier. I've forgotten, but not. And those are curry leaves. That should have gone with mustard seeds, but you know what? At this stage also they are quite okay. And what I have in my house is frozen curry leaves. Cashew nuts can go in. I'll add the salt and obviously to taste, and the hot water, okay? Let this come to a boil. I'll just lower the heat a bit and add semolina, okay? Now, the job as a cook is to keep it stirring. See how quickly it soaks up. If you add a lot of oil, then also it becomes a bit fatty. That's also not right. But this seems quite nice to me. So at this stage, I'll add a little bit of lime juice. As the pan is getting hot, just oil. I want this to be really hot. Now, what do you serve with this generally? In Indian households, people would add ketchup. Believe it or not, spicy ketchup or homemade tomato chutneys. Now, I had some purple broccoli which I brought from my restaurant. I just want to kind of caramelize it. This is almost like charring it, to be honest. If you had the barbecue going, you would char it on the barbecue, but here in a hot pan would do the job. Okay, you already see the color traveling up, and the smell out of the pan is just beautiful, really nice. Okay, now the spices. Just lower the heat, and I would add salt, a little bit of red chili, and a little bit of mango powder, okay? And that does it for me. Done, let's serve. Okay, so just pile it up on top, there's no rule to it. So Mrs. Kochhar likes to add peanuts to this recipe, so I better keep her happy. Enjoy. Really simple recipe, good one for everybody in the family. you.